Hello everyone, thanks for joining us today. I'm Laura from the Innisfil D.I.Y and Library. Today we will be learning about two different no-sew face mask options. The Canadian Public Health website tells us when worn properly, a person wearing a non-medical mask or face covering can reduce the spread of their own respiratory droplets. They should be large enough to completely cover the nose and mouth, allow for easy breathing, and be changed as soon as possible if damp or dirty. The first no-sew mask option uses an old t-shirt. We can start by cutting off the bottom hem. Then measure 18 to 20 centimeters from the bottom of the shirt and cut straight across. With this fabric piece, measure out a 15 by 18 centimeter rectangle and cut out. And this will be your mask. The wider rectangle in the middle will be the nose and mouth covering, while the smaller, longer rectangles will be the ties behind your head. Next, cut the skinnier ends to make the tie strings. Always be sure to wash your hands with soap and water before putting on your mask. Take one set of strings over your ears and around your head, and tie the second set of strings around the back of your neck. And there is your no-sew t-shirt mask. The second no-sew method uses a bandana or fabric square and 2 hair ties or rubber bands. Start by folding the top towards the middle, and then the bottom towards the middle, and flip your fabric. And then again fold the top to the middle, and then the bottom towards the middle as well, and flip it again. Take your 2 hair ties or rubber bands and insert the cloth. The hair ties can be about 15 centimeters apart. Then fold the outsides towards the middle. And again, make sure to wash your hands with soap and water before putting on your mask. Take the 2 hair ties, place them over your ears to secure your mask. And there's your bandana or square fabric mask. Thanks again for joining me. This was Laura from the Innisfil D.I.Y and Library.